OKRs are mostly used to help the organization advance towards its ultimate goal. However, an OKR can also be used to improve a KPI. The best way to illustrate how this works is through an example. Let's say that critical business as usual for your support team is to answer incoming support tickets as soon as possible. You agree with your support team that on average tickets should be answered within 30 minutes. You create a KPI in Perdoo that measures the average reply time for incoming support tickets. As long as the KPI indicates an average reply time of 30 minutes or less, you know that you're all good. But what if the KPI indicates the average reply time currently is 52 minutes? You probably want to create an objective to fix this. In order to create the right key results for these objectives, you'll need to investigate what exactly caused the average reply time to rise. Perhaps you've onboarded a lot more customers recently, so there simply are a lot more users, but you didn't hire extra customer support agents. Or perhaps you released new features without creating support articles for them on your knowledge base.